In this video, I'll show you how to make an aluminum framed cabinet, aluminum glass door, like how you see this cabinet. This cabinet exists in our showroom. Some clients might like this, but I will show you how to make it. First of all, let us grab a normal cabinet. Edit the dimension. 8 centimeters, meter height, depth of 600. Now we have a normal cabinet. Of course, you don't want a normal cabinet, you want a cabinet to have aluminum frames on the sides. How we do that is we go into board selection mode on the keyboard, select each of these panels, select them at the same time, and we right click, click transfer to door leaf. Okay. After you do that, click, select all of them and then right click. Door panel, door style, and change it into an aluminum door. This one, and we have to make sure that the handle can change the position to be -100, so it's, as you can see, even though the handle is 0, it's a very tiny piece of aluminum. We don't want that, right? So it could disappear. Put it into the ground. Now we need to edit these doors or aluminum frames so that they are in the correct position. To do that, we need to raise this by 80. That is the plinth height, right? 8 centimeters. Now this one is a bit too high. We need to decrease. Now you see it's in line. This one also increased. Since you decrease this by 18, add 18. Since you decrease this by 8, increase this by 18, you need to increase this by 8. Now you see this one, this covers up this side, right? The actual cabinet, this one also covers it up, so we need to increase this by 18 actually. Never mind. Increase this by another 18. Now you see that this back board is inside of this panel, because the back panel originally is 9 millimeters. So let's just the back by 9 plus 9, and add 3 to this one. This by 18. That's another 3. This one, want to move it to the left by 3 as well. This side we will add 1003. Add another 3. Okay. Now these aluminiums are flipped into each other. Aluminium edge. Otherwise, the glass would show on the side, and the actual showroom, the aluminum is corner, aluminum corner here. Imitate that, we'll just make the go into each other. Now that is the sides done. The top, this one uses a leather material in our showroom. Click material, panel material. Leather material, you can search Armas. That is the supplier for our leather material boards. Armas leather, orange. For this bottom panel here, in the showroom it's a aluminum frame, but with leather on the inside. Now to imitate that, actually first we need to edit this size. We need to edit this size actually. We need to don't need to change that size. But what we do need is we need this on this side and also on the back. That we'll copy paste this. Rotate this by 90 degrees. This one we will move it left, back by 8. Practice will only be 600. Copy paste. Back panel, we just copy paste. Or maybe 18. Now we have the bottom box done. I'm going to change this also into a door lead. Edit the door style to aluminum frame door panel. Thing. Do now is change this door material from the glass into leather. Now you can see that this is still glass, but when you render, you'll see that this will be a leather material. And now we need to change the side. Actually, let us first install exit board selection mode. So we can first change this material. Aluminium. Panel material. Iron gold. Now we can go into panel installation. Install our actual aluminum doors. $50,000. Now we have the doors installed properly. Now what we have to do now is to change glass material. Glass is actually glass, at least in our showroom. T-glass, you have to go close the universal material library down here. Glass material, T-glass. And wardrobe should be glass material. And then afterwards, we just need to edit the aluminum frame material. It's the aluminum frame down here. Edge material. Second one. So now we're done. And to install lights, now it installs. So you have to go into board selection mode, select this top panel. Now to add the shelves, just hide the door. Click box down. Click G. Panel class. Glass panel. On the sides. Change the cabinet material to glass. Edge material. Tyrant gold. Height to be top shelf. 1,200. Shelf in here. Now evenly divide this on 3 shelves only. This properly. Back the door. That's it. That's how you make a glass framed cabinet. To install lights on these shelves, we can select each of the shelves. Right click on the shelf, light, install, center install, 4,000. Now you have lights of the shelves. We're back. Now the render is done, as you can see, like a cabinet. That is it for this tutorial.